In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize and maximize the ribbon in Excel. If you want a cleaner workspace in Excel, especially when you need more room to view your spreadsheet, adjusting the ribbon is a quick and useful trick. The ribbon is the toolbar at the top of Excel that contains tabs like Home and Insert, along with all the command buttons underneath them. Sometimes you want those commands visible at all times, and sometimes you want to hide them temporarily to free up space. To get started, open your Excel workbook. This should be the file where you want to change how the ribbon is displayed. Once your workbook is open, look toward the upper right area of the Excel window. To minimize the ribbon, click the Ribbon Display Options button. This appears as a small downward pointing arrow at the far right of the ribbon area. After you click it, choose Show Tabs Only. This setting hides the ribbon commands but keeps the tab names visible, so you can still switch between tabs without having the full toolbar taking up space. This is especially helpful when you're working with large spreadsheets and want more vertical room on your screen. There's also a faster method you can use. Simply double-click any ribbon tab, such as Home or Insert. When you do that, the ribbon will collapse. This shortcut is great if you want to quickly hide the commands without opening the Display Options menu. When you're ready to maximize the ribbon again, the process is just as simple. First, click any ribbon tab so Excel shows that area again. Then click the Ribbon Display Options button, the same downward pointing arrow at the far right. From the menu, select Always Show Ribbon. That will bring back the full ribbon, including all tabs and command buttons, so everything stays visible while you work. You can also expand the ribbon using the shortcut method. Just double-click any ribbon tab again, and the ribbon will return to its full view. This is often the quickest way to switch back and forth, especially if you do it often during the day. And that's it. Now you know how to minimize and maximize the ribbon in Excel using either the Ribbon Display Options button or a simple double click on a tab. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how comfortable and efficient your workspace feels while you're using Excel.